A lot of red in the cryptocurrency market over the last couple of days has really caused things to calm down. Now, you can look at this as a glass half full, glass half empty, however you want, right? It seems as though cryptocurrency prices are really struggling to break out higher right now. But guys, we are so much better off than we were just a couple of weeks ago in September. We are so much better. Guys, Bitcoin's near an all-time high right now, $121,600, right? Ethereum's sitting at $4,300. Solana's at $221. We're doing very well, but the emotion that's involved with these little pullbacks is almost exponential, right? The slight pullback in cryptocurrency prices has caused us to go from a level of 62 greed down to 58 neutrality. But what's even worse, 43. Altcoin season isn't even here now. We're doing well, but altcoin season has essentially faded. We've got the RSI sitting at a level of 41, near oversold territory. So I'm going to look at this in a glass half full manner, and we're also going to talk a little bit about what's going on with Shiba Inu coin, Dogecoin, and another one, Floki. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got red in the crypto market today, but overall prices are doing very well. What we need to take note of is a level of 43 altcoin season and a level of 41 on the RSI here. We are near oversold territory, and altcoins are just moving a little bit further than Bitcoin, right? The emotion that's involved in the markets right now is causing alts to move as they should be, at a higher level than what Bitcoin is moving. And meme coins are getting hit the hardest. Actually, if you come out to the meme coin category here and you look, we are down about 4% on the day today, 7% in terms of overall volume loss. But look at the numbers, right? Dogecoin down almost 4%, SHIB down 2.5%, 2.5%, 1.5%, 5% for Pudgy Penguins, 4%. Guys, Dog with Hat is down 4.89%. 10% losses. It's crazy. 31% losses, whatever this Japanese coin is here. I haven't seen that one before. 4 is down 40% right now. So you can see major losses in meme coins as investors are sitting on the sidelines waiting for the next move and waiting for that greed to set in. Now, that does not mean that meme coins are done. As a matter of fact, Floki is up over 10% in the last week, outperforming Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin off the back of its first ever exchange-traded product launch in Europe. Now, Europe, excellent market, but nowhere near the size of the United States. What we're seeing here, okay, I'm not going to focus too much on Floki. I own very, very little Floki. It doesn't matter to me too much, but Shiba Inu coin does. It says, they noted that Floki has been steadily climbing since its 2022 lows, with each dip acting as a setup for the next surge. The 2021 all-time high supply zone is now in focus, signaling a potential for a major comeback if history repeats itself. But all of these gains, right, are coming on the back of an exchange-traded, like an ETF or an exchange-traded product out of Europe. Meme coins are catching on. Meme coins are going to be tradable by retail investors across the globe. Meme coins are going to be bought by institutions as well. And it's not going to stop with Floki. Guys, Shiba Inu coin may be struggling right now, sitting in this consolidation zone for the entirety of 2025. But Shiba Inu coin is the second largest meme coin in the entire world at a near $7 billion valuation. Dogecoin takes the cake at number 1. When these meme coins begin to get spot ETFs traded on United States stock exchanges, we are going to see institutional and retail adoption like never before. And that is why I continue buying. I believe, right, that we are in the bull market cycle. I believe that we are on the brink of a rally. I believe that these cryptocurrency prices can move much, much higher, which is why I accumulate. Now, one of the places that I am buying is the KCEX exchange. So if you guys need a link for that, you got it down in the description below. That's what you see on the screen right here. You can buy Shiba Inu coin on up to 75x leverage or short it if you want. I wouldn't recommend shorting it. Guys, Shiba Inu coin consolidates over a long period of time, but when Shiba Inu coin decides to run, it absolutely rips, and it rips fast. So you could do whatever you want. I can't recommend you guys do anything. But nonetheless, it's very dangerous if you are shorting Shiba Inu coin. But you can, right? The KCEX allows you to do that. And the fees, 0% maker, 0% taker. You're not going to find better fees anywhere in the United States. That's on meme coins. Altcoins, 0.01% taker, in Bitcoin as well. So make sure to check out that exchange if you guys are interested. And do not forget to diversify, right? I have been buying these tiny little tokens. And one of the tokens I've been buying lately is Bitcoin Hyper. They're building a layer 2 blockchain for Bitcoin. And they've already raised $23 million. You guys got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you're interested in. And until then, oh, I do want to say, I always forget to say it until the end of the video here. YouTube gave me 2 strikes on my other YouTube channel, so I'm not able to post there until probably December 4th, December 5th, sometime in there. And if you want to continue watching the videos, please click the subscribe button on this channel. I'm going to be as consistent as possible here, so thank you very much. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.